making breakfast right now. We're in Redwood State Park, which is also the national park, which is also confusing. But we're here making breakfast. Our mushrooms molded. That was sad.
Yeah, we're having a little potato and pepper skillet with eggs, right?
Yep.
Are we doing eggs?
I think so.
Doing eggs too. Then we're going to do some hiking today. And it's going to be nice.
We stayed at a really sketchy place last night until we didn't stay there. We moved, but we pulled into a really sketchy place to stay last night, and it looked really nice. But then there was like a camper with people living in it, but like several people were coming in and out of it, and they all looked a little sketchy. And then one had like a tire iron and a bottle of what appeared to be alcohol, and he was like whacking the camper with it, and then we decided we were not
so then
staying
we
there.
left. We camped at a casino.
Yep.
And it was very safe and very nice.
It was very safe.
First casino we've stayed at.
Yeah, we probably won't stay at another one for a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was well lit and there's security there, so so we didn't stay by the crackheads. But now we're here and there's no crackheads here.
Nope.
It's that very ambitious lady. She like rolled out of the woods behind us, and then she like said hi. She like made herself a cup of coffee within like 3 minutes, and then like rolled out the other direction.
Yep.
So maybe we'll see her later. She'll probably be back by the time we're done with breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we'll see if we can do a little better job of taking some video and taking you along with us. We're just gonna hike all day today.
Yep. And then tomorrow we're working on the van.
Yeah, tomorrow we're working on the van.
It'll be good.
Yep. We'll take you along for that too. All of you, friends and family, will not have known at this point that we have a wheel bearing going out that we're gonna fix. But this will come out far enough in the like after we've fixed it, so that everybody can know now. That's it.
Yeah.
We just got back from our day hike today. It was beautiful. We think we did probably about 10 miles today, which is not bad considering we started at noon. Yeah, it's just really enjoyable. Saw a lot of cool trees, saw a lot of beautiful ferns. Yeah, it's just really nice. We didn't see like anybody else hardly on the trail, so it was really private. It was really cool. And now we're just like hanging out. Jake is trying to fix our blower motor, or like the ground or connection or whatever for the blower, for like the defrost in the van, because that's like kicking on and off. And then we're gonna drive to our campsite tonight and make mac and cheese for dinner, like grown-ups. But we should be a nice drive. It's like an hour and a half maybe. So be nice to just hang out and snuggle up tonight. And that's it for now.
We just had dinner. We're sitting next to the ocean again. We had taco mac and cheese. We just made it up where we make mac and cheese, but we put seasonings in that you would put into like Mexican. It was phenomenal. It tasted so good. And we had a Jamaican red ale to go with it. It's also really good. Tomorrow morning we're going to O'Reilly's to get a new wheel bearing, and I'm gonna swap a wheel bearing. I already did all the wheel bearings, but I guess one of them must have been faulty, so we'll fix that up. We'll change the oil, and I'm gonna do a little wiring to fix the blower fan because it quit working today. It was just a bad connection, so be a good little morning to fix up the van and get her back in tip-top shape.
Yep. It'll be good. We have nowhere to be tomorrow, so we'll be right here. And that's nice.
Yep. Loving life.
Yeah.
And the van is doing really well. We're really happy with it.
Yep.
The wheel bearing started kind of humming maybe 4 days ago now. And we called ahead to a parts store to get a wheel bearing ordered in because they're not super common out here. Not super common anywhere. We haven't seen any other Lumina APVs on this whole trip. I'm starting to wonder if we ever will. But this one is going to make it the whole way. I can guarantee it.
Confident words.
Well,
yeah, we're living the good life and excited to see what we're going to get up to tomorrow. We're just going to, I think, maybe read together tonight and then go to bed.
Yeah, we're tired. We hiked over 10 miles today. It was a really good hike. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of switchbacks. But it was beautiful. A lot of big trees.
A lot of big trees. That's what we like.
Big things.
Alright. We will see you in the morning, I think.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.